In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure OneDrive to sync only certain folders in Windows 10. This process is straightforward yet incredibly useful for managing your storage and ensuring you have easy access to the files you need most. Let's dive right in. Start by locating the OneDrive icon on your taskbar, which you'll typically find near the clock at the bottom right of your screen. If it's not immediately visible, click the upward pointing arrow to reveal more hidden icons. Once you spot the OneDrive icon, give it a click to open up a small menu. From this menu, look for and click on the Settings button. This is where the customization magic begins. A small window will pop up, granting you access to a variety of settings that you can tweak to better fit your needs. Among the tabs in this window, go ahead and select the Account tab. This area is dedicated to managing your OneDrive account, covering things like storage usage and, importantly, synchronization settings. Within the Account section, you'll want to find and click on the button labeled Choose Folders. Doing so will open another window displaying all the folders in your OneDrive account. Here lies the key to controlling what stays on your computer and what remains solely in the cloud. Now, focus on selecting which folders you want to sync. You'll notice checkboxes next to each of your folders. Carefully consider which files you need offline access to and tick the boxes accordingly. Conversely, if there are folders you'd prefer to keep online only, make sure their boxes remain unchecked. This feature provides you the opportunity to manage disk space effectively, particularly helpful if you're working with limited storage on your device. Once your selections are made, press the OK button to confirm your choices. This action instructs OneDrive to begin syncing only the specific folders you've selected. Don't worry about making perfect decisions right now. Changes you make here can always be adjusted later. So, if you change your mind down the track, you have the flexibility to revisit these settings at any time. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your OneDrive folder syncing preferences. By doing so, your most essential documents will remain within easy reach, while others stay securely stored in the cloud. This step not only optimizes your device's performance but also maximizes your available storage capacity. Remember, cloud solutions like OneDrive are designed to make your life easier by providing flexibility and accessibility to your files anytime, anywhere. Feel free to revisit these settings whenever your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing!